What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. As you see, Mya is not right here. She's actually in the bathroom getting ready for the day. But we are currently in Beijing, China. Beautiful city, the capital of China. We have a hotel at the Conrad Beijing with the skyline of the CCTV towers, the highway, all of this beautiful scenery that you can see from our room. Such a blessing to be able to stay in stuff like this. But yeah, today we have a long day in store for you guys. We have some content to do. We're actually going to Daruchi, which is a big mattress company here in China. We're going to go see their new releasing of one of their AI technology mattresses, so that's going to be fun and it's going to be very futuristic. We can't wait for you guys to see that. But today is a long day, like I said. We just got in from Shenzhen yesterday. We was in Shenzhen for literally a few hours, and then we flew here to Beijing, which was a 3 hours and 30 minutes or 3 hours and 40-minute flight. And after this, we have to go back to Shenzhen because we closed another deal while being down there for one day. So we got a busy day, a busy week. We were supposed to go home after Beijing, but now we got to go down there to get more money and do more content, which is a blessing, but it is tiring. So don't ever think being a content creator is easy. It's a lot of sacrifices. It's a lot of time consuming things you have to go through, but it's worth it because you don't have to work for anybody else. But forget about all of that stuff. Let's go ahead and get into the day. Breakfast is on the way. We ordered room service, so we're excited for that to come. But yeah, it's time to get ready for the day, and we'll see you guys in a minute. Here's the baby.
I have the water. But good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful day here in Beijing. And I'm not gonna lie, like, the sunrise lasts so long. It feels like the sun has been rising for like the past 2 hours, but it's so beautiful. This road always seems super packed, but in all honesty, it's really not that busy. It's just like the main iconic road. And yeah, this is beautiful. But anyway, you guys, we don't have much time. We gotta hurry up and get to our work day. I'm pretty sure MJ filled y'all in the beginning of everything. But we have a beautiful breakfast here. I think Mr. Prince did a good job at choosing our breakfast. We got some good chicken sausage, bacon, you know, all the necessity needs that you need for a morning breakfast. But anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get to eating this breakfast because we have a pretty long day ahead of us. Lately, we have been very booked and busy. We didn't even know that we would end up having to go back to Shenzhen on the way to Beijing. So just know that we are very, very busy. But a lot of you guys always ask us like what we do for a living, and basically we do a good bit of things. Like, we get paid to be ourselves, we get brands and sponsorships, we also help people move to China, and we even do a little bit of sourcing on the side, amongst other things that you guys don't even know about. But yeah, we just wanted to take you guys, you know, a little behind the scenes and show you guys like exactly what we do, because a lot of you guys, even though we say it all the time, you guys are still confused on what exactly we do for a living.
Yeah.
It's good.
But yeah, y'all, this is a work day. This is what a typical work day looks like for us. So your work is what you make it, you know. You don't have to sit and just be that 9 to 5 worker. This could be your work. Stay in luxury hotels, on a business trip, you know, and just whatever you want to make it. All right, y'all, so we finally made it. Now we're about to go inside. You got Mya in the back. It's a vibe already. It's a little cold out here in Beijing. That's the difference between here and where we live. It's colder up north, so
Yes.
we got on this hot stuff, which it feels good to wear this stuff, but yeah. We are in front of the T11 right now, and it looks very comfortable from just the first viewing of it. I've always wanted one of these beds, but they were just so expensive, but I might make an exception today, so let's go ahead and see exactly how it works, because there's a remote over here, just like a TV. So I'm about to grab it and see what it does. All right, you guys, so this is the first test of the mattress. It feels good already.
I want you to jump on it.
Nah, I can't do that, but
Yeah.
it feels really, really, really good. That's so cool. Wow. That's insane, bro.
It's going all the way up.
I remember seeing one mattress like this in America, but not to this standard. Like in America, if it does this, it's just this.
Yeah.
But it's also comfortable as well.
Hey, this is fun. I can get used to this. It's already soft. Look how thick this is, y'all. Look at that. This is nice. And they have 57 stores worldwide, so you can get this at your nearest store.
Exactly.
Like, it's accessible to everybody. Everybody always asks how to get access to, products that we show all the time. This is actually accessible worldwide. So, hey. Apparently, you guys, it's taking MJ's data as he's laying down. That is crazy. Like, it automatically knows, oh, look at all this data.
What is it doing? I want to see what it's doing.
You gotta wait. You can see it when I lay down.
Okay.
You can see, I think you can pretty much see the levels of your body, the percentage. I would have to translate all of this. I don't know what it is.
We may be getting this bed, literally. You might see this in our house within the next 2 weeks to a month. So, if you see us unboxing this, you know where it come from. Look at that. It shows your heart rate and everything. How crazy is this, y'all? So we are at the next venue, and as you see behind us, it looks like I don't know what it looks like, but it looks soft, it looks squishy. Like the Goodrich tires in America.
Yeah, that's what it looks
The
like.
Tire Man thing
Or
in America.
Pillsbury Donut Boy.
Yeah, exactly. But this is the building right here. We're about to go in and see what they have in store for us, because this place is very futuristic. So let's go in and check it out. Okay guys, so we have made it inside of the building, and this looks like a scene in the Cat in the Hat Whoville. What is going on? This is our work, bro. This is our work, and we're getting paid to show some Dr. Seuss looking material, which is beautiful. Look at this.
It looks AI, but it's
Like,
not.
look at this. What is going on? So you guys, I am in a scent room, and you know how much I love scents. So each station has its own unique smell, and all I have to do is push a button, and it comes out of here. Oh, that smells so good. This smells so good. I love this.
Smells good?
Yes.
What is this?
You push the button, it explains the scent, and then you push the button right here, and it comes out of here.
That's crazy.
Mm.
I hope the beds do that.
That smells amazing, bro.
There's no way. Ooh.
Y'all, they have all type of smells. Look,
Oh, that made me gag.
Chengdu hot pot. They have coffee. It goes on and on and on and on and on. I need a spot like this in my future house. I need a spot like this. What is going on?
You're like, I want to smell some scents. Let me go do it.
Right. Y'all, what is going on? Look, the camera might be glitching, I don't know, but look at this.
Hopefully you guys can see.
What?
Hello.
This is crazy. What is going on?
This is crazy.
This is crazy. This is work. This is a work day. Mind you, keep in mind, this is not a tourist day. This is a work day. Crazy.
Culture. We build the sleep museum. We have different sleep museums. The first one located in Dongguan, our factory in Dongguan. And then the second one in Xi'an City. The third one is here in Beijing. But we don't call it museum, we call it the land, like the paradise, like the wonderland, just like that. Because it's more funny here, you can see that.
Alright, y'all, so it is so cold, but we doing it for y'all because it's the views. Like, nothing better than this. It's nothing better than this. And it's not packed. Beijing is a packed city, so I thought that it was always packed. Maybe because it's cold, nobody is out here for real, but...
And you gotta think, this is the rich side of Beijing, so everything is not gonna be super packed. Plus, it's windy today, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the people that live here, they know how cold it is whenever you go high rise. So, it makes sense.
And I hope y'all can hear me because it's windy out here. It feels like Chicago. But it's a vibe, man.
It's not the same beef.
Alright, y'all, so the final stretch. We're the last convention. Today has been a very long day. Long day. Productive day, but a very long day.
Yes.
This is what happens when you're a content creator. So when we say we don't work a 9 to 5, that's because we work longer than that. We don't work a 9 to 5, but we work longer than that. You have to work hard to become an entrepreneur. So if you think you can become an entrepreneur, it's gonna be a lot of hard work. It's gonna be a lot of missleeping.
It's gonna be a lot of work that you're gonna do for free before you even get to this point.
Exactly. You have to do a lot of work for free before you get to this point. You can't just start being a content creator now and making money tomorrow. You know, it's gonna take a little journey. And we always thought that was cliche talk, but no, it's true. We've been doing content for a long time, not from China, but just in general. Since we first met, 8 years ago, about to be 9, we was doing content.
When you try to be a content creator, the content creator game will try to break you because it'll be times where you want to quit too.
Yeah, exactly. It's a struggle as well, just like working a 9 to 5. So you just choose your struggle and, you know, do your best.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're arriving at the building as you see right now. It's lit up now. They told us it was gonna look better at night, so.
And it does.
Oh, I had to make sure I had my phone. But yeah, we about to go in and then I'll pick back up the camera. All right, y'all, so we just got our VIP wristbands and stuff like that. One thing about China, like Maya was just saying, they make sure they secure every event.
You gotta check bags.
You gotta check everything.
For mattresses. That you might steal the mattresses, I guess.
But yeah, we're about to go in and get our seats. It's a cool stadium right beside this as well.
One thing about China, they have so many Olympic stadiums.
Yeah, that's a cool Olympic stadium. It's cool. But yeah, I'm about to put y'all down because I don't know what type of security they got in here. But even though we VIP and we do this, but yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, just enjoy the B-rolls of the show.
8个流队同盘的3名。
What? The ride is almost here. He is currently 2 minutes away. And it's freezing.
Alright, y'all, so I got my zoom lens in, so that's why it looks hella close, but I'm not changing it. We are tired. We just got back from the event, and we've been out all day since 9.
And even though it doesn't seem like a lot of work, it's a lot of work.
It's just a lot of work being at these events because, you know, you kind of get your stuff done early when you do content for a living. So the rest
Especially
of the time,
when you know how to do your content.
Yeah, so the rest of the time you're just there for moral support and getting other little clips and stuff. But we're thankful, we're blessed. Oh shit. But yeah, we're thankful. We're not complaining. We're thankful. We're grateful. We wish many more of these opportunities come to us this year because we've been on a roll and we're excited for what the future holds for us. Yeah, that's been a work day in our life for 24 hours, you could say.
Exactly. And Daruji, if you're watching this, we appreciate you guys inviting us. It's crazy. 2 years ago, we actually pitched to a Daruji hotel to stay there. And we stay there, and now we're actually getting invited to Daruji events. It's crazy.
Exactly. So the world is just, it's a full circle sometimes. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Hopefully we end up getting a Daruji bed because...
Yeah, we might have to get that bed. We was talking about it today at the seminar. We might get it. We got to invest into our sleep. We be working. We got to invest. We sleep every day.
And it put things into perspective because, like, every type of person, whether you're a parent, whether you're a person that works a 9 to 5, whether you go to school, everybody deserves the best sleep possible.
Yeah, but speaking of sleep, we need to eat and take a shower and go to bed because we got a flight in the morning to Shenzhen to make some more money and more moves. So we're blessed. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you guys in the next one. Please. I said please. I'm tired.